Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Turbo Tip Thursday. Today's episode is all about wood, or rather how a new technique, at least to me, on how to distress wood. So, if that's something that you're into and would like to learn more, be sure to hit that subscribe button down below. Give this video a thumbs up. Make sure that notification bell is set to all so you won't miss a single episode or a full-length video. So, what do you say, guys? Let's go do it. All right, y'all, we're going to take this new piece of 1x4 and make it look like it's 100 years old. Now, this is just one of many techniques that are out there, but the first thing you want to do is just beat the crap out of it with a hammer. I mean, take out your aggressions. Be sure to get the edges, the ends. You can hit it in the middle. Yeah, I was frustrated that day because, old wood is not perfect like this 1x4. So just beat it. Next, for safety's sake, you're going to want to take some sandpaper or a sanding block or palm sander, whatever you got. Sand off any splinters. Trust me, I got several doing this project. And I kind of wanted to round off the edges somewhat. But anyway, next you want to start with your first layer. You can definitely use a regular wood stain. I didn't have any, so I used my antique Waverly wax. I did give it 2 coats, and I let it dry completely between coats. So for your top layer, you're going to choose your paint, and I'm using a white chalk paint by Folk Art, I believe it is. And you want to be extremely generous with this paint. Now, while it's still wet, take your paint scraper and scrape off the paint. Now, a friend of mine that has worked with wood his whole life taught me this trick. And I guess I should have paid attention when he was explaining it to me. He actually said push the scraper, not drag the scraper. But at any rate, I'm really pleased with the way this turned out. And as you can see, it went from looking brand new to old. So if you've got a tip, trick, or hack to share, I would love to feature you on my channel and on this segment. So anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching. And until next time, y'all go get your craft on.